In today's video, we're showcasing some of the biggest and most impressive heavy equipment machines in action. Watch as these massive machines tackle challenging tasks with power and precision. From giant excavators to powerful bulldozers, you'll see how these engineering marvels make light work of even the toughest jobs. Hitachi 690. A ton-heavy machine kicks off the new day with a ruckus in Zurich. Equipped with two different attachments, the Hitachi 690 diligently and efficiently completes the demanding task of removing about 40 tons of steel from the tram tracks. When the tide goes down, the versatile boat ingeniously transforms into an amphibious vehicle. With its robust capabilities on both land and water, its mission is to harvest the freshest mussels. This transformation allows it to seamlessly adapt to the varying conditions of its environment, ensuring maximum efficiency in its operations. The Hitachi 690 stands as a testament to innovative engineering and design, exemplifying the seamless blend of power and adaptability. Its dual functionality not only enhances its productivity, but also showcases the advanced technology integrated into its construction. Thus, this machine plays a crucial role in maintaining and improving the infrastructure, while also contributing to ecological efforts with its unique mussel harvesting capabilities. Eagle 7300. The Eagle 7300 is an advanced piece of machinery that is designed to excavate and trim the canal cross-section in a single pass, which significantly enhances efficiency and productivity on the job site. It is built to be rugged and durable, making it suitable for handling the toughest and most demanding jobs in various environments. One of the standout features that make this trailer unique is the innovative design of the rear axle. This rear axle is capable of both sliding and tilting, providing a level of versatility and adaptability that is unmatched by other similar machines. With this cutting-edge design, the operator can quickly and easily prepare for stacking operations in less than a minute, dramatically reducing downtime and improving overall workflow efficiency. John Deere DB120. The John Deere DB120 is a highly efficient planter that was introduced to the market with impressive capabilities. It is estimated that this planter should be able to sow between 90 and 100 acres per hour when operating at a ground speed of 5 to 5.5 miles per hour. This remarkable efficiency means that in a single 12-hour day, the DB120 can plant almost 2 sections of land. This level of performance makes it an excellent choice for large-scale farming operations that require quick and effective planting solutions. Versabar VB 10,000 DAS Claw Versabar has ingeniously designed an innovative and highly effective underwater lifting device, which they have aptly named the Claw. This advanced machine is controlled by the sophisticated VB 10,000 lifting system, enabling it to perform a wide range of lifting operations with remarkable precision and efficiency. The Claw is capable of handling various structures at impressive depths, reaching as far as 500 feet below the surface of the water. This is a considerable depth, demonstrating the machine's robust and reliable engineering. The claw itself boasts impressive dimensions, with a height of 112 feet and a width of 112 feet, making it a formidable piece of equipment. Additionally, the device has a substantial weight of 1,000 tons, reflecting its heavy-duty construction and the significant lifting capabilities it possesses. Caterpillar 992G. Time may pass and many years may go by, but the Caterpillar 992G large wheel loader continues to set the standard for its size class even after more than 50 years. It remains a benchmark in the industry, known for its impressive capabilities and reliability. When compared to the 992K model, the new Caterpillar 992G has achieved a remarkable breakthrough improvement. This improvement is highlighted by an impressive increase in productivity, reaching up to 48% more than its predecessor. This significant enhancement showcases the advancements made in the design and engineering of the 992G, solidifying its place as a leader in its category. Gosho Grab Dredger. Gosho is known as the largest grab dredger in the entire world. Its enormous grab bucket has the capability to excavate a significantly large amount of material. This grab dredger can dredge through hard substances that are even more challenging than SPT 100. The length of the Gosho Grab Dredger is an impressive 100 meters, and its breadth spans 36 meters. The grab bucket of this colossal machine has a capacity of 200 cubic meters, making it exceptionally efficient for extensive dredging operations. HF 800 2-speed. If you want to split the biggest of the big logs in a high production environment, you'll want the HF 800 2-speed cone splitter from US Pride. This powerful machine is designed for those who need to handle large volumes of wood quickly and efficiently. A 2-speed motor is a key feature of this splitter, allowing skid loaders, wheel loaders, and excavators to power through even the toughest and most challenging wood with ease. This advanced motor technology ensures that the machine can adapt to different types of wood and varying levels of resistance, making it an essential tool for anyone in the logging or wood processing industry. With the HF 800, you can achieve high levels of productivity and reliability, ensuring that even the biggest logs are split with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. Bulldozer 2470. Reshape the land with the transformable blade of the Bulldozer 2470. The U-shaped blade is the heart of this powerful machine. When positioned straight, it is built to move mountains of dirt effortlessly and can be easily adjusted to work efficiently even in tight or confined spaces. The blade has a maximum width of 24 feet and is equipped with hydraulically articulated wings. These wings enhance the functionality of the blade by allowing it to double the cutting pressure from 1,000 pounds per foot to an impressive 2,000 pounds per foot. This increase in cutting pressure makes the Bulldozer 2470 an incredibly efficient and effective tool for reshaping the land. Cutter soil mixing. The soil mix system developed by Cutter is designed to create a homogeneous mixed mass of soil. This innovative system ensures that the cutter head can penetrate and sink into the soil effortlessly, doing so under its own weight. The design and engineering of the soil mix system enable it to blend the soil uniformly, making the process smooth and efficient. The cutter head moves seamlessly through the soil, aided by the consistent and even mixing provided by the system. As a result, the soil mix system by Cutter stands out for its capability to achieve thorough and uniform soil mixing, enhancing the ease with which the cutter head operates. Effort 2055. The Effort 2055 model is a notable part of the extensive range of large cranes. It falls within the lifting class of 30 to 300 TXM, making it a versatile and powerful piece of machinery. This crane boasts a maximum hydraulic outreach of 19.56 meters, which allows it to reach significant distances. Additionally, it has an impressive maximum lifting moment of 133,860 kN, indicating its strong lifting capacity. This combination of features makes the Effort 2055 a reliable choice for heavy lifting tasks. Hydraulic cutter RP10L. A hydraulic cutter, specifically the RP10L model, is a specialized attachment designed for use with excavators. This particular type of excavator attachment, commonly referred to as an excavator brush cutter, serves the purpose of cutting through dense vegetation and efficiently removing unwanted trees or stumps from various types of terrain. The design of the cutting head is a standout feature, as it is engineered to rotate a full 360 degrees. This capability allows for maximum flexibility and versatility during operation. Furthermore, the cutting head can be adjusted to various angles, which can be modified depending on the specific requirements of the job at hand. This adaptability ensures that the excavator brush cutter can handle a wide range of tasks, making it an invaluable tool for managing and maintaining land. FTV 5550. You may find it quite surprising to see how these specialized devices manage to transport the massive wind turbine blades across terrains that have narrow curve radii. The process is particularly fascinating because the sheer size of the wind turbine blades makes the task seem incredibly challenging. Despite the obstacles presented by the winding paths and sharp turns, these devices are designed to handle the job efficiently and effectively, showcasing a remarkable feat of engineering and ingenuity. Fendt Ideal 10T. To upgrade the power, the Fendt Ideal 10 is equipped with an advanced steering system that does not require the use of a traditional steering wheel. Instead, this innovative system allows for more precise and effortless control of the machine. The Fendt Ideal 10 boasts a powerful engine with an impressive output of 790 horsepower. This engine is a 16.2-liter powerhouse, providing the necessary strength and efficiency for demanding agricultural tasks. Liebherr R9800. The R9800 is specifically designed to be the best loader available in the ultra-class mining market. This impressive machine is suitable for use with mining trucks that have capacities of 240 tons, 290 tons, and 360 tons. The operating weight of the R9800 is an incredible 1,163,700 pounds, making it a heavy-duty piece of equipment. Additionally, the bucket capacity of this machine is 45 cubic meters, allowing it to carry a significant amount of material in a single load. Crawler crane. Two of the largest crawler cranes globally are the CC88800-1 and the CC6800, known for their immense lifting capabilities. The CC88800-1 leads the pack with a staggering lifting capacity of 1,600 tons, making it a powerhouse in heavy lifting operations. Not far behind, the CC6800 stands strong with a capacity of up to 1,250 tons, showcasing its robust engineering and versatility in handling substantial loads. Recently, these impressive machines were instrumental in transporting wind turbine components, each weighing an astonishing 480 tons. This task underscored their critical role in modern infrastructure projects, where precision and strength are paramount. Scania R540. The Scania R540 is equipped with a commanding 540 horsepower engine, solidifying its role as a dominant force in the timber transport industry. This truck is further distinguished by its integration with a sturdy 9.8-meter Epsilon crane, elevating it to the status of a true industry giant. The powerful engine not only ensures robust hauling capabilities, but also enhances operational efficiency across various terrain and weather conditions. Meanwhile, the precision and extended reach of the Epsilon crane facilitate smooth and efficient loading and unloading processes, adding to its practicality and reliability. With its exceptional blend of strength, versatility, and operational finesse, the Scania R540 stands out as the preferred choice for handling heavy-duty timber transport tasks with unparalleled ease and dependability. Liebherr P995. The Scania R540 truck is highly esteemed not just for its prowess in challenging environments like mines and construction sites, but also for its versatility in dredging operations on water surfaces. This Liebherr excavator boasts a powerful engine, generating 1750 kW or 2364 HP, enabling it to tackle demanding tasks with ease. Its outstanding load capacity of 380 tons further underscores its capability to handle heavy-duty operations efficiently and effectively, making it a preferred choice across various industries requiring robust performance and reliability. Kubota SL600H. The Kubota SL600H Harrow stands out as a reliable companion during the busiest farming seasons. Its innovative flow control system not only ensures efficient operation, but also guarantees comfort for farmers across diverse field conditions. Whether navigating through compact plots or expansive farmlands, this lightweight implement maintains its ease of use and reliability. It caters seamlessly to the needs of both small-scale family farms and large agricultural enterprises, offering versatility that enhances productivity and operational efficiency throughout the farming cycle. RK5000 Bucket Chain Excavator. The RK5000 bucket chain excavator, manufactured in 1983, stands out due to its unique method of locomotion. Unlike traditional models that rely on caterpillar tracks, this machine employs a distinctive walking mechanism using feet. This innovation not only showcases its engineering prowess, but also enhances its operational flexibility. With a weight of 5,600 units, a length extending to 160 meters, and a towering height of 40 meters, the RK5000 is a formidable presence in any mining or excavation site. Powered by a robust engine delivering 2069 horsepower, it achieves impressive efficiency metrics, capable of digging and shifting an astounding 4,450 cubic meters of overburden per hour. These specifications underscore its reliability and productivity, making it a preferred choice in heavy-duty excavation operations globally. Senebogen 830. In the realm of wood processing, the Senebogen 830 stands out as a revolutionary, super-heavy lifter that transforms the lifting of materials into a task as effortless as a flick of the wrist. Boasting a maximum reach of 14 meters and an impressive operating weight of up to 43.5 tons, this machine is equipped with a robust diesel engine generating 168 kilograms of power. Its advanced engineering not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures seamless handling of heavy loads in forestry operations. The Senebogen 830 is designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern industry, providing unparalleled reliability and performance. Caterpillar 988B. Since its debut in 1963, the Caterpillar 988B has firmly established itself as the foremost choice in large wheel loaders, boasting over 60 years of unrivaled performance in the industry. This stalwart machine excels in the efficient movement of materials, offering significant cost savings to operators. With an impressive operating weight of 362 pounds and propelled by a robust 580 horsepower engine, the 988B exemplifies Caterpillar's dedication to engineering excellence, reliability, and operational efficiency. Its enduring legacy underscores Caterpillar's ongoing commitment to delivering superior heavy equipment solutions that meet the demands of modern construction and mining operations worldwide. Komatsu D155WW. The Komatsu D155W amphibious bulldozer represents a groundbreaking advancement in construction machinery. It gained renown as the world's inaugural commercially available amphibious bulldozer, setting new standards for efficiency and versatility in aquatic environments. Its impressive design allows it to operate with unparalleled effectiveness in water depths reaching up to 7 meters. Weighing in at 43 tons, this machine not only revolutionized traditional backhoe dredging methods, but also opened up new possibilities for heavy-duty construction projects where land and water meet. Super 3000 3i. The Super 3000 3i is the largest paver available from Vogele, designed specifically for handling extensive projects like highways and airport runways. With an impressive paving width that can reach up to 18 meters, it stands out as an ideal choice for large-scale construction endeavors. This robust machine excels in efficiently laying down asphalt or concrete, ensuring smooth and precise surfacing across vast stretches of road or airfield. Its advanced capabilities make it a preferred option among contractors and engineers tackling major infrastructure developments where quality and productivity are paramount. Technocar. Whether it's for transport, construction, mining, or any other industry that requires the use of a semi-trailer, Technocar can confidently guarantee the perfect solution for your specific needs and requirements. One of the key features of a Technocar semi-trailer is its exceptionally low center of gravity. This low center of gravity makes the semi-trailer much more comfortable for the driver to operate over long distances and extended periods of time. Additionally, it significantly enhances the ease of handling, providing a smoother, safer, and more stable driving experience. This stability is particularly important when navigating through difficult terrains or challenging road conditions, ensuring both the safety of the driver and the integrity of the cargo being transported. Terex RH170. Did the ferocity of the T-Rex get passed on to this Terex RH170? With an impressive bucket capacity ranging from 35 to 40 cubic meters, it allows the efficient movement of large volumes of material in a single scoop. This heavy-duty machine is designed to handle massive loads, making it an essential tool in various large-scale operations. Its robust construction and powerful capabilities ensure that it can tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The Terex RH170 combines strength and efficiency, enabling it to perform at a high level in any challenging environment. This impressive piece of equipment is engineered to withstand rigorous conditions, providing reliable performance day in and day out. Its advanced features and superior design make it a valuable asset in industries such as mining, construction, and earthmoving. The Terex RH170 not only boosts productivity, but also enhances operational efficiency, ensuring that large projects can be completed more quickly and effectively. Whether dealing with tough terrains or heavy materials, this machine stands out for its remarkable durability and operational excellence. AgriFac ZA215. The AgriFac ZA215 is a high-capacity agricultural machine designed to significantly enhance farming efficiency. Its large capacity reduces the need for frequent refills, enabling farmers to cover vast areas swiftly and effectively. The advanced spraying technology, featuring precision nozzles, ensures even and accurate distribution of fertilizers, pesticides, or herbicides. This not only maximizes the effectiveness of applications, but also minimizes waste, promoting sustainable farming practices. Additionally, the machine boasts intuitive controls with digital displays and automated settings, making operation straightforward and adjustments easy, even in varying field conditions. Built with durability and efficiency in mind, the AgriFac ZA215 is constructed from robust materials to withstand harsh agricultural environments and extended use, ensuring reliable performance and longevity. Its efficient design optimizes fuel usage and chemical application, reducing operational costs while supporting environmentally friendly practices. Safety features protect operators and ensure safe handling of chemicals, while the accessible design facilitates easy maintenance and repairs. Combining high-capacity, advanced technology, user-friendliness, and durability, the AgriFac ZA215 is an invaluable asset for large-scale farming operations. SelectFix. SelectFix is a versatile agricultural implement renowned for its efficiency in weed control and soil management. Designed to handle various tasks with precision, it offers adjustable tine spacing and robust build quality. The implement is equipped with advanced hydraulic systems for easy adjustments and efficient operation, making it suitable for both large-scale farming and specialized applications. With its innovative design and reliable performance, SelectFix ensures optimal results in soil cultivation and weed management, enhancing productivity on the field. Caterpillar D8. In the world of heavy equipment, the Caterpillar D8 stands tall as a legendary workhorse. Powered by the formidable Cat C15 ACERT engine, it delivers 354 horsepower of raw strength, making light work of even the toughest jobs. Its precision-engineered power shift transmission offers seamless gear shifts, while its robust frame and high-strength steel construction ensure durability in the face of challenging conditions. Whether it's earth-moving on a construction site or clearing paths in forestry, the D8's versatility and reliability shine through, backed by decades of Caterpillar's engineering excellence and innovation. Conclusion. In this video, we've seen some of the world's largest and most innovative heavy equipment machines in action. From the Versabar VB 10,000 claws precision to the Caterpillar 9992G loader's raw power, these machines showcase engineering excellence. They redefine limits in construction and mining, highlighting efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. If you enjoyed this showcase, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.